Clumping litter. This type of litter forms solid clumps when it comes into contact with moisture, making it easy to scoop. Non-clumping clay litter. Primarily made of clay, this litter absorbs moisture but does not form clumps. Silica gel litter. Made from silica gel, it absorbs moisture and controls odors effectively. Natural litter. Often made from materials like sawdust, corn, or recycled paper, it's eco-friendly. Corn-based litter. Mainly composed of corn granules, it's biodegradable and non-toxic. Fruit kernel litter. Made from fruit kernel pits, such as peach or cherry, it's eco-friendly and biodegradable. Scented litter. Contains fragrances to mask litter box odors.